Well, now, can you hear me? You can text in chat. Am I audible online? I don't know. Am I audible? Yes, yes. Okay, now I'm getting the messages. Okay, that's good. Then, now, let's go here. Let's start it here. Good morning, everyone. Had breakfast? Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you all? Fine. Good. So now, today we are going to here discuss the topics of full stack. So you all came here for a full stack batch. Let's go to the full stack UI. We'll discuss. Before discussing, let me have an introduction of myself. My name is Prasad. I'm a full stack web developer, mean and MERN stack. For 6 years of experience in the industry and the training both. I'm currently working in Verizon. Okay. Now, today we are going to start our first class on full stack UI with React. Does anyone knows what is the purpose of this particular course website? The main purpose of this course, not for certification, this main purpose is for something website development, right? Today we will have something introductions only, no need to worry. Okay. Now, how many are from BTech, sir? Any BTech students are here? Oh, degree? Engineering, or sorry, MBA or something kind of post graduation. MCA. See, you will have all kinds of people. Even in BTech, you will have multiple branches now. In CSC? Oh, people are there. But so if you are from degree, if you are from MBA, MCA, MTech, BTech, whatever the branch are there, still welcomes. Software is only field where you will have multiple things. It's like a mixture. If you need to have a good communication skills to start it, and it's bit of technical skills also, which we will learn it in this course. Now, let's start, sir. Today I'm gonna start it here. The main important first we will have some kind of course structure. I will give you what is the course structure, what are the topics I will cover in the course, how much time, duration, and all things. Then later we'll discuss the course. Okay. Like start course. The course is full stack UI with React. In this course, what you will cover the topics like design, UI UX design, which will be done by Figma, HTML, CSS, advanced, which is like HTML5 and CSS3, 5 and CSS3, SCSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, advanced JavaScript, and uh, jQuery, which is Ajax. This is all part one. The course is about three parts. Where the first part is basic front end. The basic front end will give you UI UX designing, HTML, CSS, HTML5, CSS3, SCSS, Bootstrap, JS, Advanced JS, jQuery, Ajax. This one will give you a good knowledge of how the websites build and how the websites run, and you can able to build some static and basic dynamic websites also. Okay. Now covers 2 months or 50 sessions to serve it. Exactly in 50 classes, you will cover all of this. Is it clear, sir? Now, after this, okay, I think spelling mistakes. Now, you will have something called advanced front end, which is in another 50 sessions, where you will have React, advanced, basic and advanced libraries, Redux, and Redux toolkit. These were the things we'll cover it in the next 50 sessions, where you will have React, basic and advanced, and libraries, and Redux and the Redux toolkit. I will give you in detail topic wise, tomorrow. Okay, it's a basic introduction. I'm just giving you crux. Slowly, I will give you in detail so that you will understand. Now, this course covers basic front end, which is 50 sessions, and advanced front end, where you will have React, Redux, and the Redux toolkit, and with some libraries of React. After that, you will have backend and DBs. Which will be some 35 to 40 classes, where you will have backend with Node.js, Express.js, authentications, authorizations, or you will have sessions. You will cover something called databases, MongoDB. Okay. Now, these were the things we covered in the backend classes. This whole thing it will cover as something called, full step. Is there any tool you will cover, sir? Yes, we'll cover tools like VS Code, Git and GitHubs, how to deal with APIs or Netlify, and you will also cover Netlify, and you will also cover Firebase. Until the demo classes are over, I may not give you the notes. Like the first 4 5 days, demo classes will be there, ma. Actual classes starts after the demo class. The demo classes are still important. It's like the warm up, the basic exercise. Now you can note it down if you want it, like whatever the things are there. If anyone wants, you can note it down so that you will understand whenever one topic is over, you can able to pick it. Online, please note it down. Like instead of taking screenshots, it's better to write something. Let me just know that once it is done. Once it is done, I will go down. Next, note it down, backend DBs. If you have any question also, you can ask ma. Let's make it interactive. Like, you have any questions, sir? Will this be covered? That be covered? I will answer that. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can tell me. Online, someone asked, we don't teach Docker, Kubernetes, and Tailwind. Yes, they are also there, which I forgot. Docker, Kubernetes will be there in this. In backend, it will come. Docker and Kubernetes will come in backend. Tailwind will come in React classes. Tailwind will come in React classes. Docker and Kubernetes will come in backend one. Okay. Can you provide any practical example questions on HTML and JavaScript? I will do it. When we do it, we will have practical questions only always. Don't worry. Any other? Is it clear? Now, let's start. So, do we have same classes available to purchase in recorded? Yes, same classes actually. Now, it is available. Now, let's see. Today we are going to understand two topics. Today's main agenda is two topics. First one is problem solving. Okay. Second one will be, okay, first one is problem solving. Second one will be like, how UI works, how full stack works. I will explain. Full stack works. Now, the first question which I want to start, is, people always wonder, recently, AI is there, like the ChatGPT is there, or, Gemini is there, Perplexity is there, so many AIs are there. People will have this question like when the AI is there, can we have any future when we go for the development? Yes. Full stack always works, always have speed. Why? AI can build you the front end actually. AI can give you one kind of nice interface. AI can give you one kind of nice logic. AI can able to give you one kind of nice frame. AI can able to give one kind of nice thoughts. But AI cannot make full stack. From starting to ending, complete full stack AI cannot able to make because it comes with so many dependencies. In future, I will explain you like what is full stack in this class itself. Then you will understand it. So even though AI is there, even though AI is there, even AI cannot replace full stack people, full stack developers. So basic logic. Whatever you see it in YouTube about AI and all, more 90% of them are fake. Don't even have to fear because see, AI comes with your commands. It's not that much too advanced. If any real developers are there, you can ask them. If you use ChatGPT solutions for the real-time problems, you will get it so many problems bugs. You will get so many errors. Okay. Anyone who uses the ChatGPT code actually feels bad not for getting it more. But actually it reduces time, but still bugs are more. Okay. So what is the most important skill that any developer will have? What is the most important skill that any developer will have? Anyone? Communication. Yeah, maybe. But communication is for not only for developers, everyone. Right or not? If we go for, if I go for every day I work in my company for 8 hours. Do you think 8 hours I will code? No, right? Obviously, no one can able to do the coding for 8 hours. Almost 3 to 4 hours we spend on problem solving. For example, we have some kind of login. We have one login. So the client will say, I need one login system. So people will immediately say, okay, user will enter their email ID, user will enter their password, and user will click login, and they will log in. Will it be good? Or user will give the phone number, they will get the OTP, they will give OTP, and they will log in. Will it be good? Or user will give email ID, it will send one link to the email, and if you click on it, they will get login. Will it be good? Or user will click on this link, and they will go to Google Docs and they will sign it. Will it be good? Alright. There are so many kinds of login systems. Client don't know this all, right or not? Client will directly say, I need one login system. Then you need to think which one is good, which one is better. It depends on so many things, now. What backend you are using, what database you are putting, where you are storing the details, how you are manipulating the data. Everything you will think. You need to think on so many things and then you will develop one system. You will develop one idea. You will develop one architecture. That is how you solve. Thinking capacity is there, na? That is called problem solving. Sir, I am from CSC. Sir, I am from civil, or I am from Triple E, I am from EC. It doesn't matter. You need to solve the problem. Is it clear, ma? I will give you one real-time problems. This is what most of time I spent every day. I will spend on problem solvings. Senior developers will spend on only problem solvings. Okay, coding part is very easy. For example, if I know I have to put Google authentication, if I type it in internet also, I will get it Google authentication how to do in 10 minutes. Getting that particular one which is suitable for our project is important. Now, let me start it with you. Let's start here. Problem solving. We'll have, sir, your voice is breaking. We can't hear properly. Online is my voice audible, ma, clearly? Let me go slowly. Online, can you hear me? Online, is my voice clear? Is it clear now? Most of the time, okay. Okay. It is clear now. Okay, very good. I think my accent goes fast. Okay. Let me go slow now. I will give you one problem. I will give you one problem. Okay. Now that is a real time problem. I will give you one real time problem. You have to think and give me solution. Is it clear everyone task? Are everyone clear ma? Task is I will give you one problem. Real time problem. You think about it. You don't need to do any website. You don't need to do it any technical. You don't tell me how to do it and all. Tell me solution. Last one's focus here. Now, let me think it. Problem. Hmm. Let's bring it here. What kind of problem I can make it? Okay. We all use Gmail now. You all have Gmail accounts? Do you open your Gmail account every day? How many of you open your Gmail account every day? Every message do you read Gmail? Do you read every message in Snap, Insta, WhatsApp? Abacha. WhatsApp you will read, na? Right or not? So now I will tell you one problem. This is the problem. The problem is we will get important mails to Gmail, such as interviews, meetings, etc. For example, today I got it. Tomorrow some interview is there. They sent me one invite. Tomorrow interview is there. You have to comment into Gmail account. I didn't check the Gmail. And I check the Gmail day after tomorrow. Will it be any useful? I lost my opportunity now? Right or not? It happens to so many people. They will check their Gmail very lately. Because we are a generation of social media, not the Gmail kind of one. So we check it very rarely. But still, users should not miss the opportunity, right or not? Now, I want you to bring one solution. This is problem, real problem. In real, now people are facing this problem. In fact, 80% of the students are facing this problem. So many people don't even know how to use Gmail. Do you know that most freshers don't know how to send a mail? I know that. Why? Because first day when they are sending me report mail to me, I was like, they don't even know how to put a subject only. Snap, they can send it easily. So my point is, so many people are not using mails, but still Gmail is important. When interviewer people will not send you WhatsApp. If someone send it to WhatsApp, tomorrow interviews that's a fake one, basically. But original companies will actually send a mail only. Now, but students are missing the interviews. Students are missing the schedulings. Students are missing the meetings. How do you solve this problem? Give me one solution. That's it. Go on, sir. Sir, solutions, just a minute. Priority notifications. So you mean you are saying it like each and every message will have some kind of priority? So classification based on keywords. So if interview keyword is there, that all will come into one particular group of interviews. It's like based on tags, you are selecting the things, right? That's a nice idea, actually. I don't know why Gmail not do that. Online, someone said it, notification alerts. Obviously, but to what? Where you will get notification alerts? This is one. Next, any other? You all understand question, ma? Yes or no? You all understand question? So, I'm just asking the solution kya hai? Because you are full stack developer. Tomorrow you are gonna build something really good. I won't ask you how to do. Tell me anything. If you tell me Harry Potter will do that also, I will write it. I wanted one solution, that's it. If you want me to repeat in Telugu or Hindi also, I can do that. Kannada I can know. Remaining a language I don't know. Now, देखो प्रॉब्लम क्या है जीमेल पर ओके मेरा हिंदी टुकड़ा टुकड़ा होता होल सिटी हिंदी है वो देखो I will try to tell it in Hindi, but if anyone knows real Hindi, don't laugh at me. Okay? So the point is so simple. लोग very rarely open the okay. It's mixed already. No, very bad. Gmail पर हमको important message आता ना वो important message हम एक बार मिस हो जाता वो important message मिस हो जाता क्योंकि हम जीमेल बार बार नहीं ओपन करता है ना तो उस तरह वो मैसेजेस वो ओके मिस होने के चांस है तो हमको एक सोल्यूशन चाहिए वो सोल्यूशन होने के बाद कोई मैसेज कोई इम्पोर्टेंट मेल मिस होना नहीं सकता सो आई वांटेड टू नॉट मिस एनीथिंग ओके कैसा करना है वो online someone suggest me one nice solution which is like calendar reminder. That's a good one. Gajam Kavita. That's a calendar reminder. Loved it. Some people are like, what is this? Because education is not about writing the exams, doing the syllabus, problem solving है. Right? सोचो ये प्रॉब्लम है तो कैसे सॉल्व करना है That's it. Any new? Or do I need to ask it everyone? What is your solution, ma'am? Last one. Huh? Notifications to what? Mobile phone? Do you know already you will get mobile notification when you get a Gmail? We will just clear it out actually. So we will get it. Okay. But still, alerts. Okay. But you need to do something and another alert. Someone said it, pop-up notifications. I loved it. Pop-up notification will be good. Now, someone Shoaib, he said it like Shoaib Dar. He said it, we want to make Gmail visible to access it all in all over mobile. Just like make it access to any other form. If person opens its mobile screen can trigger open mail. Oh, open mail and see it with the okay. Actually, Gmail app is there. It's the default. But still, people don't use it. Any more? Even after? Right. True, true. It stays top always. They're good. Notifications fixed. Right? Yeah. Nisha, through someone, through Gmail notification settings. I know a Gmail notification settings, right? See, the problem is not about the Gmail. The problem is about the people who don't open them, right or not? So you have to provide one new solution to them. Make some specific company alerts that is important to us. Actually, that is priority notification. Someone already said it. Can I give one solution? Let me think about it. WhatsApp notification. You get it a mail. Imagine you get a mail. Automatically, the mail, if it is something regarding interview, will automatically come to WhatsApp also. You got a mail from so and so company interview. Please check the mail as soon as possible. Anyway, WhatsApp people will open basically. There is no point they will miss. Are you getting my point, sir? So Aisa, any other ideas? I never expected this class to be silent, Ray. That is good. The solution is about only app this one. If we want to scale it up to bigger level, it will be different. But it has to start from one point. Na? Let's take it Amazon. Amazon starts selling only books. It started in 1990s only selling books. When they get success, they sell everything. Flipkart starts selling only electronics. Now they are doing everything. Bookmyshow started only movie tickets. Now they are doing everything. Imagine you created one app which will do this kind of things. Later you will do it for not only Gmail, for everything. Do you know that? Are you getting my point, Ma? Recently, I read one article in that from Assam, there is one guy who created something called Link. There is an app called Link, and it's not released yet. He created a prototype. What is that will do? Like every social media in the world, it will connect. You get it a WhatsApp message, it will be there for you. If you get it Snap message, it will be there for you. If you get it Insta message, it will be there. One app for all social medias. And Facebook bought it from him. The idea, 400 crores. The point is, someone had an idea and they implemented it. But we are sitting here to how to think. Some people are thinking good. Some people are not answering, even though they have ideas. Shy? Now, okay, let's not drag it more. You can do WhatsApp applications or. But if I have to do, you know what I will do? I will create one website which you can log in. You can log in through Gmail and make all features available. So now all features available. Like so many people say, some people said it to me priority notification, some people said it to me calendar reminder, some people said it pop-up, some people said it easy mail trigger, some people said it notification fix, some people said it WhatsApp notifications. One app, one website will be there. If you log in there, it will give you all these options. If you wanted notifications WhatsApp, you can click enable there. Automatically, you will get WhatsApp notifications from your Gmail, right or not? Then I will say, if you want to use my website, pay it for 1,000 rupees per year. Then only you will get WhatsApp notifications. Then the people will buy it. That's how the business starts. Business starts with a problem, finding solution, make the solution into a business model, and the users pay for it. Are everyone clear with this question and answer? Any doubts? Are everyone clear, ma? Any doubts? Anyone questions? Are everyone okay with my English at least? Did anyone felt it fast? No, no? Because that's what happened in previous classes. I'm scared for that. Now, let's deal with more. Okay. This time, problem 2. This time everyone think. Slowly I will explain the problem. I want you to think this time, but I want it each one of you give one answer. Offline only 15 or 20 people are there. Everyone should give answer. Okay? Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay, let's start. Let's start the problem. Do you all use Swiggy and Zomato? Right? In Swiggy and Zomato, it's Zomato or Zomato, whatever. Now, in Swiggy and Zomato, when we open one, for example, we are so hungry. I open Swiggy. You know what is the problem I will face? I don't know which restaurant to go. Imagine I'm new to Amirpet. I will open one restaurant and I will see so many items. I don't know which one to buy, which one is good. And I will check one item and I will check the price. Again, I will open the Zomato and I will check the price in that. And I will check for coupons. And I will check on another restaurant. I don't know what to buy exactly. I don't know what to eat. I am hungry. I know that. But I will like, let's see biryanis and I will check 2-3 restaurants. Then I will go for, no, let's go for meals. Let's go for pizza. Ultimately, people will waste 20 to 30 minutes just for choose the item. Does anyone felt that problem, sir? Right? Now, Swiggy people, so it's like Swiggy and Zomato, users spending, this is actual report. This is actual question posted by Swiggy people. Spending 20 minutes average for deciding item to check out. Because users lack the decision. Obviously, no one will be like, let's book biryani in Bawarchi only, and then they will not open. People will open, they want to eat something, and they will show so many options. That is their problem. If they show me only one biryani, I will directly order it, or I will just close the app. But they are showing me so many options. I don't know which one to buy, right or not. Now, this is what the actual problem faced by Swiggy. Now, I want you to give me one solution. Okay. The solution is provide a solution to make users choose items within 5 minutes. User, when they come to your app, within 5 minutes, they have to go to checkout. Even though they don't know what to buy, they have to buy something within 5 minutes. तो तुम कैसा करना है वो? So you will do it. Okay. Offers are there already, but that's a good thought. Actually, offers makes the people. Solutions, offers, already implementing. Filters, but what kind of filters? See, there are so many filters are there, but what exactly filter you think it will solve the problem? Distance, so that it will come faster. Distance filter. I don't think budget filter is there. Is it there? No. See, I think already in Swiggy and all, I think it's already Swiggy and all, distance filter is there, rating filter is there, but price filter is not there, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, but that's not the point, no? See, 250 for two as an average restaurant. Based on item, it will cost different, right or not? But imagine, I say 100 rupees is my budget. Your logic only, 100 rupees. All restaurants near me, items below 100 only will show. Will be huge, actually. See, this one will be a game changer. If you decide, if you create one app and which will have based on your budget, if you have some kind of slogan like money will not come for free, save your money or something kind of brandings, and you say it like, give me some amount I will say 200. Then you will show only items below 200 only. People will actually buy it. I don't know why Swiggy is not trying it. This is a good idea. Veg or non-veg, it is already there. Veg or non-veg one is there based on ratings are there. You know, in rating, what is the problem? Rating is there for restaurants, but items wise, it would be better. It is there items wise. I didn't try it actually then. Items wise rating actually better. Open option is also there to show the best food and restaurant in budget in top quality, top for deciding quickly. Groups. Okay, I will give you a solution. Groups. This is already there. Best selling restaurants, best selling items. Or today, what is the top selling restaurant nearby you? I open Swiggy in Amirpet and it says like nearby in something Bawarchi, you have the best biryani. Okay, this is 150 people already bought it in last 20 minutes. I will directly buy it. I don't think things are remaining it. Best selling, top one, trend, those kind of things will be used. That is groups. Okay. Any other? That is feedback. Feedback is there already. Rating feedback. That is good one. So previous order recommendations. This kind of thing actually will helpful. I don't know why people are not doing it. Why? Because see, for example, vegetarian is there. One of my friend is a vegan. So every time they go to the particular Swiggy, they have to choose it again vegan. Again, they have to choose particular one. If I'm a vegan, if I'm choosing only vegetarian food, always I'm buying meals. Why? Because Swiggy showed to me biryani. Because I ordered 4 times, 4 times I ordered veg with meals only. So Swiggy should show me only meals. They should not show me biryani, right? So based on my previous order, if they show it will be quicker. Now, as online, someone said it to me, fast delivery. That is not possible. See, some things are in your hand. For example, this is all in your hand. If you do changes in your app, it will come. Delivery is not in your hand. Something rain may come, petrol may be slow, bike may be bad, or driver may be not good. You don't control some things. Some things you can control. So things about you control only I want you to give me solution. Any other? This is one of the question posted by Swiggy people in the Twitter. Not now, like initially when Swiggy started. And they got so many answers. And based on the answers, they tried to implement it and they tried, trial and error. So some options got successful, some options not. So they put it only few options. This is how companies do. For example, you started one company, Ray, and you don't know how to make it bigger scale. Then you will take it user feedback. Then, like you guys, different people will give me solutions. Now imagine I got 1,000 solutions. On that I will filter it. Some 25 solutions I will just create it in that app. I will just add it. Some solutions most people are using it. We will keep them. Some are not using it. We will remove them. That's why you see so many apps keep on changing. Keep on updating. Why? Because they will ask the users and then they bring it a new thoughts. And that's how we will scale. If you keep it fixed for a longer period of time, if any app is there, like for a kind of 1 year not updating, actually the app is old. It will not be successful. So less food option recommendation. Actually, this is a really good idea. Less food. Some people like to eat less food. Okay. But there is no choice that what is that less food basically means. Like, I can buy the food in quantities. Basically, people buy the food in 250 rupees. I will get a full biryani. But I can't eat full biryani. Okay. In that, I will pay 150 rupees. Give me some half biryani. Are you getting my point now? But it's not possible, initial times. Okay, but later times it may be recommendable. Any other? You are understanding, sir? Did anyone felt it like above the head? No, no. सोचो रे बोलो एक solution बोलो. Online people are giving me solutions. Offline, two people are only answering it. Last ones. Any solution, sir? Time. Perfect. Based on time, food category. Perfect. Good set. That is really good. I don't know why. Morning, they don't need to show me biryani. Even though some people like it, but mostly they should go for based on time only they should give it. According to time meals. Online also some people answer it same. Sir, we don't know about quality and quality is good. They can't take more time. I didn't understand it, Nawaz. Sir, take an example of any sweet, but not biryani, cause I am feeling hungry. Arey, seriously? Okay. More kind of, quality images. More quality images actually make the people buy the things. So this only thing you will go for based on what you see. If biryani picture is good, automatically people will buy it because they believe that that is the same thing they will get. No restaurant will give the same biryani as they show in the image, but still we believe it. So that's good. Show top restaurants choose on based on age. Hey, that's a good idea, eh? Age wise food. This one is not there actually. Even now, even my neighbors who are like some fourth class people, it's those people will buy most of the things from Swiggy and Zomato when their parents were not there. But why these some kind of items like mandis or something kind of they don't need it. They need something burgers. They need something like some kind of items only kids na. So shows only kids one. Like for example, go for Netflix. Netflix when you open based on your age, you will show the recommendation. You know that Netflix when you create your profile, they will ask your age. If your age is something 10 years old, they will show only cartoons. They will not even show any kind of K dramas basically. If you are a teenage, they will show only K dramas. If you are a male with some kind of middle age, they will show action entertainments. Because based on their age, it will have some kind of good thought. According to particular time, it's over. See, now I got it so many solutions. Now, what I can do, sir? Now I can do it like, imagine Swiggy is not implementing these things, but I know this all are possible. Now I will create a top over top over app. Top over app means that app will take it all the Swiggy things and will show in that app, but that app will have all these filters. Ultimately, if you order in that app, it will go to Swiggy only. But it's like the same app of the Swiggy with all these filters. Okay. Now people will buy from it and ultimately Swiggy will deliver for them. I don't need to do it any kind of delivery and all. And I will just create it one app for only these filters on the Swiggy. That will give me a good revenue. Are you getting my point, sir? First, people should think about these kind of thoughts. Oh, one of the nice solution, Ray, online. Now, uh, online someone said it like giving food monthly wise like hostels. That's a good idea, Ray. There are some services. There are some services which will give you monthly wise meals which are increasing their sales actually. Recently one of my friends started one startup where they sell some kind of fruits only. Fruit bag they will sell. Per day, they will give you some kind of fruits like one orange, one kind of dry fruits, one kind of something. They will give it in a box. Per month, they charge it nearly 4 to 6K for that, which is easy money for them. So monthly buys meals in Swiggy is actually a good idea because I will buy it once, every day I will get it. Okay. Like Monday I will get this item, Tuesday I will get that item, like that hostel one only. Happy meals. Nice. Any other, sir? Subscription based plans. That is also good idea. It's like different people goes with different models, different business plans. Any doubts here in this? Any doubts here? Is everything clear, ma, today? Till now? Till now, are you all clear? Now. Okay. Now, you guys tell me one problem. Are solutions only you are not telling? सोचो एक problem सोचो रे. Like every day you will use na, that's all. I love to make my class only to think, but the problem is people are thinking but not speaking. Any sleepy? That means you are thinking. If no sleep means. एक problem बताओ. A real time problem. What you are facing, it's something. Medical histories. Can you elaborate it? Huh. That is good. So he wants it like people may suffer some problem, some health conditions. Actually, these are not like diseases, these are some health conditions. Some health conditions for a longer period of time. Longer period of time. Period of time. And may consult multiple doctors. Doctors ending up with multiple medicines. Due to lack of proper history, storage for medical bills or medical conditions. Storage. Medical diagnosis. Medical treatments. Are you all understanding the question, sir? Are you all understanding the question? The question is like multiple people. So people may go with some kind of asthma or something. Like anyone who knows who are having after 35, they have the problems with sugar or BP or something kind of one. These are longer things. They don't go it like 1 minute. Now imagine I'm having some kind of sugar. So today diabetes, I may go to one doctor and regularly I go with it. And tomorrow I may go to another location, or maybe my doctor is not available. I need to go for another guy. And that guy again starts from zero because he observes you and he thinks it like what is your present condition, and he may prescribe a new medicine. This will end up with user with multiple things due to lack of proper history. What he is saying it like how your phone pay and all history, bank transaction details are there. He wanted some kind of thing for medical ones. That's a good part. How do you make it, sir? So you have to make one app which is available for all hospitals. That the people has to every doctor, whoever comes to every doctor who is in that hospital has to maintain the feed. They have to log in and they have to update their patient's conditions such that one day if a patient log in with their ID, with their Aadhaar, connect it to Aadhaar. If I open my Aadhaar, if I enter my Aadhaar in that particular app, automatically every single tablet I used in my life will come. Are you getting my point, sir? That one will be useful for multiple things. Someone's problem, listen to this, Ray. Someone give me one this problem. I don't know whether you can able to think for it or not. This problem seems some kind of silly to you, but actually this is really a good problem nowadays. Anyone give me one solution for this, Ray? How to decrease Instagram reels per day 50 scrolls? No, he said it like he wanted something like 50 scrolls. You wanted to put one limit, right? If you put a limit, it will not be done. No. He wants something to be done so that it will come only 50. Like you should not restrict the user to 50. After 50, you should not say Instagram is over. No, that will decrease the Instagram sales. People will uninstall the Instagram immediately. No, you should do some other thing. Are you getting my points? Huh. Huh. Only that. Hey, excellent idea, Ray. And recommend something which makes him feel bored. Makes him feel bored. Automatically, people will feel bored and they will sleep. Simple. If I have to recommend, I will recommend something science classes for all of people or maths classes. I will feel sleepy. Now, that is good. Online also someone registered the same thing, Maral or Hemant. Maybe recommend reels that we may not be interested. That's really good. Okay. Now, Rajesh, disable app after an hour for a day and then enable it for the next day. Okay. Disabling the whole app. It may be something too bad, but okay, will be tried. That's a nice thought. Shoaib gave me solution for previous problem, medical history problem. You know what we gave? He said it like, if you wanted solution for this, you can create a QR code and update with your diseases information so that it can help doctors to know about your diseases. QR code is an easy way. Instead of creating an app, QR code is perfect. Perfect. After 50 scrolls, this is the perfect one. Perfect one. After 50 scrolls, Instagram charges per scroll 2 rupees. 100%. This is perfect one. Why? Because this one will also increase the Instagram money. Perfect. That's good. Reduce the creator. You can't do that. Everyone is a creator nowadays. Brilliant solution this is. After 50 scrolls, Instagram charges 2 rupees. Any other? Increase the data usage more for each role. Perfect. This is also same. You know, money is equals to data these days. Like, if you scroll one reel, automatically half GB will be over. Huh? The Wi-Fi also will have a particular limit, darling. If you have one reel, half GB means no one will spend it for that. Okay. Automatically imagine after 2 reels you will get a message from Geo like your 1 GB is over. People will be scared. They need internet for night. Okay. Next. Any other? It's a good idea, na? Now. Okay. Increase the ads sessions after the reels. That is true. Actually, ads is for 3 reels you will get one ad. Actually, now. So if you make it something more better, that would be good. Increase the ad things, or you can ask for premium things, something similar. This is actually good one for a day. Someone's problem is really making the people think. Right? I don't know why here some people are not at all answering it. Girls did not open their mouth only. You all can talk, ma? Now, yeah. This is for the problem solving, sir. So every day, think of a problem and try to make it your own solutions. And for the first 5 demo classes, I will give you problems like this per day, at least one problem. Okay. So that we'll think of some kind of brainstorm. Later, I don't give it. Later, we will start coding one day. Okay. But initially, this is what I want you to build, thinking. Okay. Now, Nisha said it like after 50 row scrolls, pop-up notification should come that you have scrolled 50 reels. You want to watch more or not, like restrict message. That is good. Make the app slower the more he scrolls reels. Good idea. These things will actually make it better there. Now, next one. Let's see full stack. Today we just see what is a problem solving, and I will just tell you, because you all came to full stack application course, I will tell you how the full stack will work in real time. Okay. Then you will able to do it like in tomorrow class you will deal so many other technologies and all. Okay. Full stacks. I will show it in paint. Any application you create or a website you create, sir, initially the website will have parts, front end and back end. I'm gonna tell it like complete thing, front end and back end, sir. Basically, it will have something in front end, something in back end. Okay. Now, then there is one more thing which is called database. Database. Front-end, back-end database. Okay. Now, how the website will be built, sir? Initially, people will design the website. People design the website. Like how I want my website, what colors I wanna put, what images I wanna put, where I wanna put the header, where I wanna put the footer, where I wanna put the like button, everything I will design my site, my app, or whatever. First a design will be done. After the designing, people will give the designing to front end people. Okay. Now front end people will do HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, React, okay, or React with Tailwind or something, TypeScript or Tailwind or Next.js. They will use all of these things. They will use all of these things and they create one basic front-end, sir. But will that be enough, sir? No. Sir, you put one registration form. Putting registration form is easy, but users enter registered. The details should go to backend, na? Right or not? That means your backend should be connected to frontend. Right or not? How they will be connected? The backend will be connected to frontend by using something called APIs. What they are called? APIs. Application programming interfaces will be there. Now API connects the front end with the backend. User will click on register. Automatically front end details will taken by API and API will give it to backend. In backend, what will be there, sir? In backend, programming languages will be there. Programming languages will be there. What are the programming languages like Java or Python or .NET or not .NET, C Sharp. .NET will be a framework. C Sharp or PHP or Node. Kotlin is for mobile development too. Kotlin, Swift are for mobile development. In website, those things will not come. Any other? Any other, ma? Now so someone created one registration form like username, email ID, password, and people will enter username, people will enter email ID, people will enter the password, and you click on register button. Your API will take that register button, API will give that register one to backend. Now, what the backend will do, sir? Backend will authenticate. Backend will check it, is it correct or not, is the guy is correct or not, everything, all the details. After validation, backend will go to a database. Backend will do something called validation, and backend will give it to database. Now, imagine user asks something. User wants some kind of data. So then database give it to backend. Backend gives to frontend. So can frontend directly connect database, sir? No. Frontend cannot connect directly to database. Frontend connects to backend, backend connects to database. Okay. Now someone said it like, sir, if we create an application, we have to interact a third-party server or processing our information. We might have security risk, right? Obviously, there is a chance. Okay, but there are some reliable ones also. Okay, you can create your own backend or you can use someone's backend like Firebase. Firebase is some already pre-built backend is there. You don't need to create any backend database. Directly you use frontend, Firebase, you will create a full stack application. Okay, but there is a security risk, simple. Any doubts in this? This is how a basic application will run. Now after this one, what you will have another phase is something like maintenance. People will maintain the site. Once everything is done, people will maintain. To maintain the site, they will use Kubernetes, Docker, AWS, etc. Like I created Amazon website, Ray. If I created Amazon website, it may work 100% nicely in my phone when I develop. But what if 1 lakh people come to Amazon and click the same item buy now? Same thing. There may be a chance it may fail now. I mean, someone has to maintain the servers and has to check it like if multiple people are coming, we need to split the server and all. I don't know whether you knew this or not. In 2015, when Amazon released the Big Billion Days, it went to so much fall. Like multiple people got their money deducted but did not get it, and it went like whole Amazon server crashed. So load balancing will be there. This all kind of things will be done in this particular one. In maintenance server. That is what DevOps people will do. Okay. Don't worry, in future you will understand how to do APIs and all deeply, but I'm just giving you the basic idea, the system design one. Any doubts in this? Huh? No. See, software development environment is nothing but what kind of phases you follow. Software development it will be there for everything, website or application, whatever you build. That is a process how you will build it. Okay, and this is what is there. For example, if you are doing a building array, first you will have some kind of foundation. Then you will need to put some kind of pillars. Then you need to put some kind of walls. This is the software development like process, one by one by one. Basically, what you will be there, you will be having it like some kind of pillar will be there, some kind of walls will be there, some kind of current will be there, some kind of TV. This is what I'm explaining now. Both are different. Okay, IDs will be used. VS Code or any ID you can use it. Any doubts in this? We'll give it an example. Like for example, a design a registration form, registration and login forms. Login forms. So automatically people will think about, for example, I need to design one registration form, sir. So I will be like, I will just decide it like, I will have one form at the center of the page, and in that one username will be there, one email ID will be there, one user ID will be there, one email will be there, one password will be there, and I will have one button for register. This is what my registration button. Now, this is just designing. But will it come automatically done? No. Designing is like people will create some kind of image for a rough idea. After this rough idea, I will give it to front-end people. You are front-end guy. I told it like I want site like this. Okay. After that, front-end people, they develop registration form and make it live. They develop the registration form, they will give one link. If I type it prasad.com/register, automatically I will get one form now. And form is exactly looking like how I said it in design. हो गया उसके बाद. Now, immediately what the user will do, user will enter the name, user will enter the email, user will enter the password. When they click on register, they have to store the details somewhere. But did I write it in logic? No. Then immediately I will create one API. API will trigger the logic. Okay. APIs we will only create it, sir. API's logic we will only write it. While creating the full stack, we need to do is use the API's logic only. We will use the API logic again and again. Same API you can use multiple times also. This API connects to backend. So what this API will do? API transfers user data to backend. Whatever the front end data submitted, it has to come backend. Now in backend, what they will do? I submitted one email ID. Backend people should check it in database already email existed or not. If it is already existed, you should not register again. Right or not? There will be some rules, na? So they will ask it like check for existing. That is called validation, which I wrote. Okay, it depends on the language. And request after checking, request to add details. So it will request add these details in MongoDB or something like MySQL something. So then MySQL will add them. If it is exactly same data type and all, it will add it. Perfect. Okay. Now after this, again, design people will come with login form. Then again, I will go for login form HTML. Then when I click on login, API will again send data to backend. Backend will ask the database, is this email already there or not? Same thing. But this time it should be yes. Then if it is yes, backend will send some kind of token. Backend will say some kind of token. Token is like, yes, you are valid. Then immediately front end will log in successfully. It will go to dashboard. But if backend is not getting proper response, then it will not give the token. It will say it like error. Then automatically it will show on the screen. Any doubts, sir? Any doubts, ma? Online, someone is asking it like they are having 2 years gap or something. See, if you are having any years of gap, always software field welcomes you. But if you are a full stack developer, I will give you some suggestion. The suggestion is so simple. First, learn front end as fast as you can. Learn the basic front end. HTML, CSS, JavaScript will not take you much. Even actually in school people are learning HTML, CSS now. If you learn JavaScript well, do it React front end. There is a huge opportunity for React people. Join as a React developer, front end developer only. Then you will have real-time problems. You will have real-time problems. While working as a React developer, learn backend also. Because this course will continue. This course will continue until your thing is over. Then you will get knowledge of front end, and then you will have some kind of theoretical knowledge on backend. Then you go for full stack. Are you getting my point, ma'am? That is how reality should work. But I suggested full stack for everyone. Full stack course is important. Okay? But it depends on practice. If you are giving full stack means 90 days minimum you should work. It won't be like today you come to class, tomorrow you are job. No, it never happens. 90 days minimum it will be. Any doubts? Our course structure, if you remember, sir, our course structure total, it will take it like some 5 to 6 months. If you go for serial order, like initial 2 months will be for HTML, CSS, JavaScript, basic front end, then 2 months for React. If you are so strong, if you are so good, you can learn React one and the backend one same thing parallelly. Okay. But if you want it like one after the another, after 2 months of React, then you have to learn it in 1 month backend. 5 months it is total. Can I take React separate course again after completing the course? Yes, you can do it. Sir, about placement. Actually, Naresh IT will provide it, but not about the guarantee one, because placement depends on your skill. 100% it's. But it is a Marin stack, we can say that. It is a Marin stack actually. Marin stack means MongoDB, Express, React, and Node. Any doubts? If you want to complete the course as soon as possible, you need to work more. Okay? It depends on your work. At least spend it for 2 months. Dekho. First 2 months is minimum rate. In 2 months, you will learn HTML, CSS, JS. Learn this 100%. Especially JS part. HTML, CSS, I will complete in 20 to 25 days itself. But JavaScript, I will spend it for 30 days. So, JavaScript, if you understand, React, if you are a fast learner, React, you can learn it in 1 week also. If you are kind of slow learner, it will go for 1 to 2 months. React. Okay. Backend is so easy. Backend, you can practically learn it in 1 week also. Backend. Even if you are a slow developer, it will take it 1 month only backend. But logic will be so much in backend. How much time per day we should put it? Course is per day, you will give it one in this course 140 to 150 hours. This is the course timings. Usually class starts from 9:10 to 9:15 and class ends from 10:50 to 10:50 or 10:45 kind of thing, and then we will have doubt clearing session. 55 we will end it for sure. Okay. But you need to spend it at least 1 hour per day. Extra. Sir, in Naresh Shetty gives 100% placement guarantee. It depends on you. And I'm saying it now, dekho. Don't think it like, oh, we are in Naresh Shetty. I'm also telling it. Naresh Shetty gives 100% placement. But do you guys stay in this Amirpet only until that Naresh Shetty gives it? No, na? Go with as soon as possible. No one likes to stay in their Amirpet hostels. Try it from today. Your course minimum takes 90 days if you are an even faster learner. So today onwards, if you start, within 90 days, you should get the job. That is your target. By the time course ends, you should go for it. Simple. How many classes in a week? 6. Even Saturday, it will be there. Sir, how many real projects it will cover? It will cover so many real projects. I will give you in detail topic wise tomorrow. HTML में क्या क्या टॉपिक्स कवर करता है, CSS में क्या क्या टॉपिक्स करता है, JavaScript and projects, React, backend, everything I will give it in tomorrow's. Okay, I will give you a PDF. Any other? You can ask me any questions, sir, if you have. Does anyone have any questions, ma? No. Ashwati, sir, I have 2.5 years of experience in React already. If you have already 2.5 years experience, like first 3-4 months will be waste for you. Why? Because first 3 months will have basic JavaScript and then we will have it something like React. If you want to do full stack one, do it directly backend courses. That will give you more better. Is there classes also Saturday? Yes, the classes will be there. Can you recommend any practice websites? Yes, I will do it. After class, did you provide soft copy notes? Yes, but not in demo classes. After the demo classes, I will provide notes. Which is good one to learn? Full stack web developer or else full stack UI with React. Both are same way. Full stack UI with React is full stack developer only. Any other? Offline, no questions? Array, pin drop silent. Very good. Someone is asking me what is the difference between Angular and React. When I come to React classes, I will tell you. Okay, but it depends. Once I go to JavaScript, if you're really a good guy who goes with logical thinking, go for React. If you are not a good logical thinker, you will go for Angular. How many real-time projects will be there after the course? I will tell you now. Tomorrow I will tell. Can I join 15th November? Continue. I didn't get it. I'm familiar with JS and HTML. That is so good. Sir, if I'm going with only backend, then how much time it will take? 1 month. Max to max 1 month. Within 1 month, it will be done. Sir, is this Marin full stack course? Yes, it is Marin full stack course. Can I join directly to React? So, who is this, sir, and what is the time? I don't know. You can check it React classes. During our front end, can we continue simultaneously with backend? Yes, you can continue. Without learning a single thing in front end, also you can directly go for backend. Okay, but you need to be sound good in, logical thinking. That's the only thing. That's it. Yes, after the course, projects will be there. So many real-time projects will be there, and I will explain you what is what. No. Can I join the class after 15 November because I'm currently living in Madhya Pradesh? I don't know about that. If you join in after 15, it will be over the basic things, HTML, CSS and all. React and Node together any class? No idea. You can check it. Any other doubts, ma? No, offline no one is giving the doubts. If no doubts, sir, offline can leave. Tomorrow, same time, we'll meet sharp. Okay. Thank you all. Bye-bye. And online people can ask the doubts if you have it. How much time per day for the course on daily basis? I'm telling it. per day 140 to 150 minutes per day. I will give the class and you spend it 1 more hour to work. Is there any next batch starting after 15 November? No idea. You can check it in Naresh groups. You can leave, sir, if no doubts. This course is for 5 months. Yes. Have a good day. Thank you. Huh?